Welcome to Nifty Trade Chat channel. So we'll discuss what happened in the market today and what can we expect from the market tomorrow. So this is what we had seen below 21,625. We were expecting market to continue for 100 points at least. Market gave a stop loss and then it came up. But I personally did not take trade because it was since it is a huge gap down. So we need to wait for the swing to be broken on either side. So I did not take trade, but if you had taken this take directly just because it opened below 21,625, then it definitely hit a sell. But if somebody has taken on this side trade on the higher side, I mean going up, it is a good trade that they would have got, whichever side it has broken, right? So market gave in the other side. This is about Nifty, and what can we expect from the market? If you look at it in 1 hour, we get a better idea. So if you look at it, this is channel. It was expected that it will reach the top of the channel today, top of the channel today, but market gave a big gap down, which scared everybody. And then I was expecting mostly on the downside because of the gap down, and then on the just because of the downtrend. And the market gave a complete reversal today, and then it has reached the channel top, which was expected, but no trade. It's okay. So what is now expected is now this is a double top it has formed here, and has also given breakout also, and the target is 21,920 is what the target is seen. So I would expect market to open a gap up, and then after giving the target, give a dip and reversal so that we can go for entry, which will give 100 points definitely on the upper side. This is one scenario. The other scenario is that if it is a flat opening, we need to wait for market taking which direction, whether it is going to be a downside or higher swing. So whichever the swing it takes, and let it break the swing top so that we can go for entry. So this is what I could see it in the second scenario. So first scenario is gap up and then take a dip, reversal, go for long. Second thing is on if it is a flat opening, wait for the first swing to be broken either on the downside or on the upside. Go for that entry accordingly. We get 100 points on that. So if it is breaking 1 hour continuously on this one, I think that will be a very good thing. Market we can expect coming days going higher and higher, right? So, but we'll see that in coming days. But tomorrow, these are the two scenarios we have it for Nifty. Bank Nifty was we expected to be bullish only, so it gave a gap down, and could not break this one, so it continued to go on the higher side. So it was we were expecting to take a trade below, since it is again huge gap down. So on the first swing only break, we need to go for entry. So it gave entry on the reversals on the upside, and market gave a very good rally for who are holding for longer period. Now it has given, if you look at it, it was like a good inverter head and shoulder. It has given a target, this one, and it remained in 1 hour. It remained inside the what do you say the trend line. So yeah, so if gap up happens and above 46, 168, if you see gap up above this one and let it take a dip and then reversal, go for long. That is one scenario. The other scenario is similar to like what we talked about with the Nifty. If it is flat opening, we have to wait for the first swing to be broken on the 5 minutes so that we can go for the entry on the either side. So as simple as that, we don't have much complexity in defining. Let's keep it simple. If it is a gap up on Nifty or Bank Nifty, wait for the dip on reversal, go for entry. That is one scenario. Second scenario is for flat opening. If it is on the either side of the swing, if it is breaking on the upside or downside, go for entry. We can get 250 to 300 points that we can get. Let's come to Reliance. So I think we discussed this. So if it is breaking this point 21, 29, 37, if it is breaking anytime, we can go for long. It gave around this time, or even like since it was the entry was here itself, market gap down and came on trying to break, but it took a dip and the reversal came here actually. So either here or here, Anyways, market gave a good rally after that. So it was a good trade for Reliance also. So coming to what can we expect from the market tomorrow is that it is now, if you look at it in a higher time frame, we get a better idea. It is trying to go in a wedge actually. So it is at the top of the wedge. We need to see whether it is going to be wedge obeyed, or it will continue to do that, or it is going to break on the higher side. So if the market opens gap up, it should not come inside the wedge. So if it, before coming, if it reverse and 5 minutes go for long, we can get 20 points. But if it is flat opening, we have to see the first swing and then go accordingly. And market may come down to touch this bottom trend line. So this is what I could see it. So first scenario, gap up and reversal should not come inside this wedge, and reversal itself on above it, so that we can go for long. That is one scenario. If it is flat, so we need to wait for, if it is either of the swing. If it is on the higher side, if it breaks the first swing, go for long. If it is on the lower side, it will come and touch this uh, the below trend line. If there is a gap down below this one and breaking this one, so the real good scenario we get it for the bottom side if it breaks this trend line. So these are the three scenarios we have it for Reliance, as compared to, like, we have two scenarios in case of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Hope you are able to understand what I'm trying to analyze for these three scripts, and this is what I've captured for Nifty. Gap up about 21,900 long after dip and reversal. Flat or gap down, long or short after first swing break on either side. Target 100 points on each cases. Hope you are able to follow the things, and then you can like a video and also subscribe to the channel if you have not done so. And thanks for watching this video.